Hey, what's going on, guys? Today is going to be a video a little bit different than most of them. This isn't really a tutorial. Well, it is somewhat of a tutorial, but it's mostly about something that I recently learned in my Sony a7 III, and that is my favorite picture profile up to now. And I say that because I still have a lot to learn about that camera. And if I say anything wrong, please correct me in the comments. I'd love to learn. But to take you back to where this started, so I did a shoot for a dog drink company called Echo, and here I really liked the way it turned out as far as the shots I got and the way the story came together. The one thing, and I'll skim through it as we talk, the one thing I really didn't like was the colors, and just like I felt like I didn't use my camera to the best of its ability, and it was my fault because I don't know enough about it. So needless to say, I didn't really like the colors of the way things turned out. ND filter could have helped definitely, but I think there was also some stuff in camera that I could have done differently as far as if I was educated on. So after the shoot, I really took some time and learned a little bit more about the learn more about the picture profile of the A7 III, and this led me to what I believe, I'll flash it on the screen, picture profile 5, S-Log2, and the movie setting. So, and I'll make sure I'll put a video of me going through there in the settings in case you're kind of confused how I was. And that's kind of how I got this look right here in this new barbershop video that I did. And I'll just go ahead and play a snippet right now. And yeah, so that's the gist of like the colors I got. I definitely color graded it a little bit, but again, I also color graded the Echo shoot, and it did not come out nearly to my liking. So as of now, S-Log2 with the movie. I looked at cinema, and I just assumed because the word cinema that it was going to look better, but honestly, I thought the movie looked better, so that's what I stuck with for this shoot. I wanted to use the drone, but unfortunately, we were like literally down the street from an Air Force base, so it wouldn't take off the ground, unfortunately. But yeah, short little video. I'll also be doing a tutorial tonight on cool IG story features for sports or really for anything. And other than that, I just wanted to share that little information. Hopefully that helps some of you guys out. Most of y'all probably know that already, but hey, that's just part of the process. And and if you guys would want me to break down some of these motion array templates, just drop a comment in below. But yeah, if you liked it, leave a like. If you didn't, dislike it. Won't hurt my feelings. But yeah, other than that, y'all be safe out there and have fun shooting.